Having a good argument is an important component of the persuasive speech. When building your argument, you need to answer 4 questions. Number 1, what is my claim? Number 2, what reasons support my claim? Number 3, what evidence supports my reasons? And number 4, do I acknowledge alternatives, complications, or objections, and how do I respond? So the first step is deciding what claim you would like to make. Is your claim a claim of fact, which is a persuasive presentation that seeks to uncover truth based on facts? Is it a claim of value, which raises issues about what is good or bad, right or wrong? Or is it a claim of policy, which deals with the realms of rules, regulations, and laws? Once you have decided what claim you would like to make, you need to support your claim, and this can be done through reason and evidence. Reason is a statement that gives your audience cause to accept your claim. Evidence is a piece of information that supports a conclusion. There are 2 kinds of evidence: hard evidence and soft evidence. Hard evidence includes facts, statistics, and research. Soft evidence is based more on examples such as personal stories, hypothetical situations, media events, movies, books, and quotes. When you present your argument, you start with your claim because of your reason based on your evidence. For example, TV violence can have harmful psychological effects on children. This is your claim. Because their constant exposure to violent images makes them think that violence is natural. This is your reason. Smith found that children ages 5 through 7 who watched more than 3 hours of violent television a day were 25% more likely to say that what they saw on television was really happening. This is your evidence. Lastly, when building a good argument, you need to acknowledge and respond to questions, objectives, and alternatives about your claims. So you begin by acknowledging the questions, objectives, and alternatives. Then you respond to it with your argument. In taking our earlier example, you can say, many people think that violence on TV does not have harmful psychological effects on children, but it does. This is your claim and acknowledgement. Because their constant exposure to violent images makes them think that violence is natural. This is your reason. Smith found that children ages 5 through 7 who watched more than 3 hours of violent television a day were 25% more likely to say that what they saw on television was really happening. And this is your evidence. Once again, there are 4 things that make up a really good argument. Number 1 is a claim. Number 2 is your reason. Number 3 is evidence. And number 4 is acknowledging and responding to opposition of your claim.